It's time to do my nails, and I need a new drill. So I ordered this drill from Amazon, and open it with you. I hope it is just what I need. I am. SAVILAND Professional Electric Nail Drill. Effective filing and removal. 30S quick removal. Yeah, see that? I've never had this drill. I've had quite a few drills before from Amazon. This one is new. I like to try different drills to see which ones I like. Bam, okay. Bam. Comes like this. Drill, bits. Ew, some more drills. It's got the cord. Let me put you down here so you can see. Got the cord. Some files. Instructions. This is pretty nice. Nice compact. And this is tiny, but look. Oh. Bam. A Bling drill. This is nice. Oh my goodness. Oop. Turn it on. Right here. To show the speed. Okay, let's try it out. Try the speed out. This is so cute. Cute. Bam. Long cord. Let's see. Hey, this is pretty nice. High-end salon experience advanced level. What is this? 40,000 RPM, faster speed, low vibration, heat and noise, 4,000 mAh, and 10H continuous use. 10 hours continuous use off a full charge. Oh, that's nice. Look at this. Oh, this is so cute. From Amazon. Cordless. Bling. It's just for personal. It's nothing to clip on you. It's not for professional. It's just for my personal use. How nice. Get you one from Amazon.